Hey everyone, Mark here. Hope you're doing okay. If you're watching this video, chances are you're interested to learn what's inside the box with the iPhone SE. What do you get when you pick up Apple's second generation iPhone SE or Special Edition? The original, by the way, came out 4 years ago. It was a 4-inch iPhone. This is a 4.7-inch. But if you're not familiar with what the premise is behind the SE, there's three main criteria. One is it's a smaller device, as I hinted at. At 4.7 inches, it is smaller than some of the other iPhones out there and many other smartphones that are well over 6 inches now. Second is affordability, as we've touched on. You're going to get a lot of bang for the buck. And third is great performance. With the iPhone SE 2020 edition, this has the same chipset, the A13 Bionic chipset from Apple that you would find in an iPhone 11 or iPhone 11 Pro. So that's very appealing to many, as you can understand, with great graphics performance as well. So let's see what you get inside the box. Peel this off here. And I've got the black color. There's a couple of others to choose from, like white and red as well. But you get, of course, the documentation. And here is the iPhone SE. So I did have the black one. It's got that all glass body. It's IP67 rated, so it can be underwater for a meter for up to 30 minutes. It's also dust resistant. So if you get any sand on this at the beach or anything like that, you can just simply wash it off. But it does have that nice curved body, as you can see, with the Touch ID button. So instead of using Face ID to log into your apps, you simply press your finger on that sensor and it'll do one of three things. So it logs you onto your device to prove it's really you, biometrics authentication, instead of having to remember a PIN or password. Second is that you can buy apps at the App Store with, again, just putting your thumb down or your fingerprint. And third is to buy something online from a store or at retail by using Apple Pay. So that's another feature of this. And in the camera department, it's got a 12 megapixel camera on the back with optical image stabilization. You can shoot 4K with this thing. It's got awesome nighttime photography, low light performance, as you would expect from recent iPhones, as well as the portrait mode features that you probably like with the blurred background. And you can adjust how much blur you've got for that bokeh effect. And that even works with the front-facing camera, by the way. All right, back to what you get in the box. Aside from the iPhone SE, you're going to get the ear pods with a lightning connector, so not AirPods, not wireless, but it does have to be plugged in. But you could pick up AirPods or AirPods Pro separately, of course. You've got the power cube, power adapter to plug into the wall, and a lightning connector as well. These things can be pretty expensive in and of itself. But there you have it. Look, this is not a deep dive review, of course. It's just a little bit of an unboxing and a look at what you get and a quick overview of the iPhone SE. But the idea is that you're getting a lot of performance and the photography that you want and the support for the latest apps and games, but without breaking the bank. So again, $599 to start in Canada, $399 US is a huge value proposition. But stay tuned for my review as well. Thanks for watching.